This is Abbio's 1-minute tutorial on how to sear a steak in Abbio's nonstick pan. Start by heating a few tablespoons of olive oil on medium-high heat. The pan is hot enough when the oil starts to shimmer. Once you place the steak in the pan, don't move it. You want it to develop a crust. A 1-inch steak will take 10 minutes to get to a medium rare internal temp of 135 degrees. So here we're searing the first side for 5 minutes, flipping it over and searing for another 2 minutes. This last step is optional. 3 minutes before you're done, add 2 tablespoons of butter, rosemary, whole peeled garlic to the pan. Use a spoon to coat the steak with butter. This technique is called basting and keeps the steak extra moist, adds even more flavor. Take the steak out of the pan, season it generously with salt and pepper, and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes before cutting into it. With the skills from this video, even an inexpensive steak from the grocery store will taste amazing. Enjoy!